Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to convert a bunch of images which is present inside a directory into PDF document inside Python. So we will be using this module, third-party module, which img2pdf. So this module allows you to convert a bunch of images into PDF. So we have these images present right here. So these JPG and PNG images. So we have a folder here where these images are present. So now I will just run this Python script here. So as I run this, you will see on the left hand side it will create this output.pdf file here. So all these images are being converted to PDF here. So all the 9 images, you will see each image is taking the full space of a page here. So I will show you how to write the script here. All the source code is given in the description of the video. So first of all, you just need to install this module, which I'm this img2pdf. So img2pdf. This is actually the module here. So the command is simple. Simply install this. I've already installed it. So now just import this module here. Import img2pdf. Then you need to also import the operating system module, and here you just need to specify the directory where the images are present. So I will just provide the directory name and then the PDF path. So output PDF path here. So output.pdf file will get created. So here we'll be specifying the extensions. All the extensions will be, so here we are specifying here either it can be JPG, JPEG or .png. All these image files will be converted. So now we will be running a simple for loop. So right here, operating system module dot path dot join, and here we'll be getting all the files which are present inside this directory, which is image directory. So here we'll be running a simple for loop for f in sorted operating system dot list directory, and providing the image directory. That's all. After that we simply need to write this. So we'll sort this. So you will be checking this extensions only. We will be looping through all the files which are present inside this directory. So only these extensions, JPG, JPG or .png files will be there. After getting access to the images, now we can simply convert them into PDF. So in the else scenario, we will be simply be converting this. So first of all, we will be opening the output PDF path in the right binary mode, and then we'll be using the write function right here. So we'll be using this image to PDF library. It contains this function here, convert, and here we'll be passing this image files array here. And after that, you can simply write a print statement that successfully created the PDF file. So now if I delete this file here and rerun the application, you will see on the left hand side it will create this output.pdf. So all the images that was there in the directory has been successfully converted to a PDF file. So in this easy way, you can install this module and use it inside your Python application directly in the terminal to actually convert multiple images into PDF. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.